Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 2.2 The Boy Who Broke the Bank from Standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.2 द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. Question number 1. Who am I? Identify the character from the extract. मी कोण आहे? प्रस्तुत पाठातून खालील पात्रे ओळखा. Question A. I am washerman's son. Who am I? Answer Sitaram. B. I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Answer Seth Govindram. C. I am the sweeper. Who am I? Answer Nathu. Question D. I am the friend of Mrs. Srivastav. Who am I? Answer Mrs. Bhushan. Question E. I am the hairdresser. Who am I? Answer Deepchand. Question F. I have crooked leg. Who am I? Answer Old Ganpat. Next question. Question number 2. Make a list of customers of Peoplenagar Bank from the extract. प्रस्तुत पाठातून पीपलनगर बँकेच्या ग्राहकांची यादी तयार करा. Answer General Merchants, Beetle Seller, the Free Vendor, the Jeweler, Customers of Shop, the Beggar, and many more. Next question. Question number 3. Match the following and write the complete meaningful sentences. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या दोन गटातील वाक्यांच्या जोड्या लावा व अर्थपूर्ण वाक्ये तयार करून लिहा. Answer 1. Sitaram was looking out for any job that might suit Nathu. 2. According to Mrs. Bhushan, it was the hottest summer in the history of Peoplenagar. 3. Govind Ram was holidaying in Kashmir. 4. The manager told the customers to go home and come back the next day. Next question. Question 4. Write who said to whom. खालील वाक्य कोण कोणास म्हणाले ते सांगा. A. Don't raise such dust. Answer Sitaram, the washerman's son, said this to Nathu the sweeper. B. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Answer Nathu said to himself. Question C. Where did you disappear? Answer Mrs. Bhushan said this to her husband. D. The bird has flown. Answer the elderly gentleman said to Deep Chand the barber. Next question. Question number 5. Why was the manager of the bank in a dilemma? Write down in 5 to 6 lines in your notebook. पीपलनगर बँकेचे मॅनेजर पेचात का सापडले होते याचे उत्तर 5 ते 6 ओळीत लिहा. Answer. The small bank had gone through all its ready cash and the harassed manager was in a dilemma because people of the town were demanding their money. Emergency funds could be only obtained from another bank some 30 miles distant, and he wasn't sure he could pursue the crowd to wait until then, and there was no way of contacting Seth Govindram on his houseboat in Kashmir. That's why the manager of the bank in a dilemma. Next question. Question number 6. Cross out the odd man. खालील दिलेल्या शब्दगटातील वेगळा शब्द निवडा. ए. स्वीपर, होलिगन, बेगार, डिक्लेअर अँड लॉकर. आन्सर डिक्लेअर. बी. हरिडली, केअरलेसली, सॅलरी, डेफिनेटली अँड सडनली. आन्सर सॅलरी. सी. इमिनंट, लेटेस्ट, पेवमेंट, ऑफुल अँड शॉकिंग. आन्सर पेवमेंट. डी. मॉर्निंग, स्कॅटरिंग, रेझिंग, कलेक्टिंग अँड शाउटिंग. आन्सर मॉर्निंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फाइंड द डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्ड्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या शब्दांचे वर्णन करणारे शब्द पाठातून शोधून लिहा. आन्सर कस्टमरी टूर, फोटोग्राफी शॉप, ग्लास विंडो अँड क्रुक्ड लेग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. खालील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. यामध्ये पहिल्या कॉलममध्ये दिलेला आहे वर्ब, दुसऱ्या कॉलममध्ये नाउन, तिसऱ्या कॉलममध्ये ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि चौथ्या कॉलममध्ये ॲडवर्ब. आन्सर आपल्याला इथं नाउन पेमेंट दिलेलं आहे. याचे वर्ब होईल पे, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह पेएबल आणि ॲडवर्ब होणार नाही. त्यानंतर आपल्याला दिला आहे ॲडवर्ब सडनली. याचे वर्ब होणार नाही. नाउन होईल सडननेस आणि ॲडजेक्टिव्ह होईल सडन. त्यानंतर दिलेला आहे वर्ब डिक्लेअर. याचं नाउन होईल डिक्लेरेशन, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह होईल डिक्लेरेबल आणि ॲडवर्ब होणार नाही. त्यानंतर दिला आहे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह चीअरफुल. याचं वर्ब होईल चीअर, नाउन होईल चीअर आणि ॲडवर्ब चीअरफुली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. राईट इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स अ फ्यू सेंटेन्सेस अबाउट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या प्रत्येक पात्राबद्दल तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात थोडक्यात माहिती लिहा. ए. नथू. आन्सर नथू वॉज अ स्वीपर working with People Nagar Bank owned by Seth Govindram. He was annoyed because the bank had not paid his salary though they were the last days of the month. He was sweeping hurriedly and carelessly because he was not happy with the owner. He was thinking of leaving that job. B. Mrs. Srivastav. Answer Mrs. Srivastav needed a sweeper. She was told that the sweeper boy at the bank was leaving his job due to irregular payment. This news by Mrs. Srivastav and Mrs. Bhushan, her friend, was spread, and within minutes a rumor of bankruptcy spread into People Nagar. C. Seth Govindram. Answer the Bank of People Nagar was owned by Seth Govindram. When the rumor of the bankruptcy spread in the town, Seth Govindram was holidaying in the Kashmir. Meanwhile, the people in the town said that Seth Govindram had fled or absconded or died. They did not bother to find out the truth behind the matter. D. Sitaram. Answer Sitaram was a washerman's son. She used to deliver freshly pressed clothes to every home. He plodded barefoot along the road to deliver a big bundle of clothes on his head. He was a helpful person. He was glad that he would be of service to both a customer and his friend Nathu. Next Question number 10. Expand the theme in a write-up of about 20 lines. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या कल्पनांचा 20 ओळीत विस्तार करा. Question A. Rumors are spread by fools and accepted by greater fools. मूर्ख लोक अफवा पसरवतात आणि त्यांच्यापेक्षा मूर्ख लोक त्या अफवावर विश्वास ठेवतात. आन्सर, सम आयडल पीपल स्प्रेड rumors. They themselves do not know the truth or fact in the news. Many a times they have not heard or seen anything but repeat some story or news to people without believing it themselves. A rumor is any talk, report or unverified statement or assertion. If we track such a rumor, we will find that it either falsehood, gossip, or an exaggeration of the truth. So we can say that those who start spreading such rumors are fools. Any kind of rumor does not stop at one place. It goes from one person to another and one place to another. Not only ignorant people fall prey to rumors, but also some educated, knowledgeable persons believe them. These people are greater fools because they never care to examine if that particular rumor is reliable, true, or if it can stand to their reason. Before you accept any such rumor, be sure it is a fact, nothing untrue and unreliable in it, or you will have to face unpleasant memories and experiences. So keep away from rumors. Next question. Question B. Books are our real friends. पुस्तके आपले खरे मित्र असतात. Answer. Books are our never failing friends. We need books for our mind. They are our closest friends who give us precious wealth of knowledge and experience. They deal with various subjects in the world and on every aspect of our life. They are the world of treasures. The books entertain us, advise us, and give comfort and contentment to our soul, and most importantly, they impart wisdom that helps us throughout our life. They help you in your sufferings, depression, and soothe your soul. They give you company when you are alone. They are your real companions. They take us to the journey into the beautiful world and help you to achieve your success like your true best friends. Good books also teach you the qualities that last long in your life. They give you confidence and courage to speak, to improve your language skills and develop your personality. They also help you to avoid your mistakes, flaws, teaching you wise conduct and wise tolerance towards others. Next question. Question number 11. Project Prakalpa. Collect the names of books written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond यांनी लिहिलेल्या काही पुस्तकांची नावे गोळा करा. Answer. The names of books written by Ruskin Bond: The Room of the Roof, Blue Umbrella, Rusty, The Boy from the Hills, Road to Missouri, Tales and Legends from India, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, The India I Love, Maharani, The Flight of Pigeons, Dust of the Mountain, The Book of Simple Living, The Kite Makers, All Roads Lead to Ganga, A Season of Ghosts, Vagrants in the Valley, etc. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 2.2 द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.